How to see your Instagram password? Well, Instagram does not allow you to see your password. But if you forgot your password, and you're thinking that I want to know my password, because, in the future, if I want to log in into my Instagram, I need to know that. Well, if you're facing that problem, then you cannot see the password, but you can change it, and don't worry about it. You do not need to know your current password to change your password. There's a way around through which you guys can get access to a new password without having to enter your older one. So for that, what you need to do is first log out of your Instagram account. Just click on your Instagram profile at the bottom right, and click on the 3 line at the top, and click on where's the setting, and scroll all the way down, and just click and log out, and click and log out. Now once you log out from your Instagram account, it's going to take you to this page. Now over here, what you need to do is click on this option called Forgot Password. From over here, you need to enter your email. Whatever email address you used when you created your Instagram account, you need to enter that. So I'm going to enter that, but you need to enter that email. Now, if you use your phone number, you can enter your phone number as well. Alright, doesn't matter, but I used an email to create Instagram, so I will enter that, and I will click on Find Account, and then it's going to send a verification code to my email. But if it is your mobile number, it's going to send it to your SMS, so I will go check my mail for the code. As you guys can see, Instagram has sent me the code over here. I can just copy it and paste the code over here and click and continue. And on the next step, I'm going to choose my Instagram accounting. Click and continue. Now, I have 2 accounts under the same email. That's why showing me this. But in your case, if you just have like one Instagram account under the same email, is not going to show you this. Alright, so just click and continue and enter your new password. After you enter your new password, just click and continue, and then basically, you have changed your Instagram password without having to know your older one, which means now you know your current Instagram password. So that is how you guys can find your Instagram password. Not find, but in a way find. Alright, so hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.